Hello class, we're going to be working on our D's today. Remember, our D makes the d, like Dee Dee Deer, who has her ears up looking around, trying to figure out what those sounds are. So you're going to need your crayons and you're going to need your pencil for today. So we're going to have our name up at the top. Remember, that's the first thing we do. You're not going to put my name, you're going to put your name, okay? Now we are going to zoom into the corner. Are you ready to zoom? 3, 2, and zoom into the corner. And we're going to be practicing our D's. We're going to start up at the sky, go down to the grass. Now I'm going to go back up. Look at, I'm lifting up my pencil. I'm going to go back up to the sky, and I'm going to make a big belly. The D has a big belly. It just ate. Now I'm going to go over to my little D's, and I'm going to start up at the sky, go down to the grass. Now I'm going to trace back over again and make the circle. The baby D, or our lowercase d, is always going to be facing our big dad D, okay? So we're going to go, I'm going to zoom out, zoom, so that you can see the rest. We are going to be doing our pictures later. So first we've got a dog. This looks very much like my dog. I have a little dog named Vay at home, and he's a little tiny guy. Now this is a door. You may think, wait a minute, why is a flower there? But it's actually got a name. It's called a daisy. And we've got a duck, just like Donald and Daisy Duck. Now we're going to go down to the bottom, right underneath the dog. We're starting on our left-hand side. Here's my L. And we're going to go from the top, which is the sky, to the grass. We're going to go back up and do a big belly. Again, sky to grass, go up to the sky, do a big belly. I'm going to do one more. Sky to the grass, go back to the sky, do a big belly. Now I am going to go down here. You're going to finish up the rest of yours all the way across. I'm going to go down to my next line, and I'm going to start at the top, and I'm going to go from the sky to the grass, sky, big belly. I'm going to use my crayon as my finger space. I'm going to go to the sky to the grass, sky, big belly. I'm going to move it over, sky to the grass, sky, big belly. All right, you're going to do those all the way across. Then we're going to go down to the lowercase d's. The lowercase d's, we're going to go from the sky to the grass, trace back around, and you're going to make a little circle, and then it's going to stop. So sky to the grass, go back up and around. Sky to the grass, back up and around. Notice my little bubble is not above my dotted line. It's not floating off the bottom line, and it is facing toward my daddy D. Okay? So I'm going to go down here. You're going to finish up your tracing. Then you're going to go down to the bottom. We are going to start at the top. Oh, actually, I messed up. See? I told you sometimes I mess up. This one has us going, so I'm going to erase. See, I'm human. It happens. All right. Our D has you going, doing the circle, go up, and then down. So you're going to start here, do your circle, go around, connect your circle, go all the way up to the sky, then have it fall back to the ground. Circle going all the way around, up to the sky, and then we've got to go down to the ground. Don't forget to do the down to the ground part so that it's got the little legs so that the D doesn't roll away. So we're going to go down here. I'm going to start with my circle, go all the way around. I'm not going to leave it like that. I need to trace it all the way back down. So I'm going to do my spacer. I'm going to go circle, go all the way up, and then go down. My spacer again. You're going to do a circle, go all the way up, and then come back down. We're tracing over. You guys are going to do your D's all the way to the end, okay? Then we are going to be coloring our different pictures up here. I'm going to put my color back because I'm done using it. I'm going to get my yellow out. Actually, I'm going to get my orange out. And we're going to have some fun. I'm going to color my front door orange. Who has ever seen an orange front door? I have not. And I think it'd be pretty fun to have an orange front door. People wouldn't be able to miss your house. You would say, hey, just go to the house with the big orange front door. It'd be pretty fun. Let's see, I'm coloring right now, and I'm not scribble scrabbling. I'm making sure that it is all coloring inside of the lines. It may seem like, oh, she's taking a long time, and I am. I'm taking a long time because I'm practicing. I'm making sure that I am coloring in the lines. I'm moving my arms around. You can also move your paper around if you'd like to make it easier. So there's my orange front door. Pretty cool, huh? Look at that. Nobody's going to miss my front door. Now, I am going to get my gray out, and this little slot down here is what you call a mail slot. In a lot of places in the United States, they have a hole in their door that the mailman or mailwoman come and they actually put their mail through the door. So when you get home, your mail is laying inside of your house. It's pretty awesome. If you've ever seen Harry Potter, it's the same way in the Dursleys' house. Whenever he gets his notice from Hogwarts, it's delivered through this little hole in the door, and it falls onto the ground. Okay, you guys are going to color your pictures. Make sure that they're nice and neat. Make sure that you put this paper back inside of your blue folder so that I'll be able to see how awesome you guys did at the end of the month, okay? We will see you for your E's next. Have a wonderful day. Bye.